In this video, you will learn the essential steps for submitting an application to an NWT Regulatory Board. You will explore why this process is crucial for both development projects and community members, ensuring sustainable resource use and fair benefits. You will also understand the importance of integrating traditional knowledge into your submissions. A successful submission to the NWT Water Board includes clear and concise documentation of the project description, impact benefit agreements, stakeholder engagement report, environmental impact assessment, EIA findings and traditional knowledge, TK, integration, and considerations for the regulatory officers. Your submission should include a detailed synopsis of the whole scope of the industrial project, include the socio-cultural, socio-economic, and key factors around why the project is viable and beneficial to the region of consideration. Your submission should also include how local groups would benefit from the industrial activity. Ensure this is quantified and easy to understand. For example, the project will generate 100 full-time jobs for local individuals. Your submission should strive to show that the local community has been adequately and authentically consulted on the project. Consultation is a benchmark commitment made by individuals interested in developing in the NWT. Your submission should include a complete environmental impact assessment, or an EIA, which accurately relates the potential or real dangers to local ecosystems, including air, water, and soil. EIA are in place to ensure that community members, industry, regulatory boards, and the government is aware of the impacts of approving the area for development. And lastly, your submission should show how local traditional knowledge will be used to inform and communicate the project throughout its lifespan. In the NWT, traditional knowledge is an important factor when considering industrial development. The submission process begins with pre-application preparation, including gathering community input and necessary documentation. Submissions are then reviewed, followed by feedback from the board. Let's break down each step further to understand their requirements. In conclusion, during this lesson, you have learned about the essential components of a submission to a regulatory board, as well as the necessary steps to do so. You have also learned why the inclusion of traditional knowledge is important to the process.
Created using Powtoon.